One way Zendesk helps you remain consistent with the communications you share with each customer is through ticket fields, which gather all relevant information about your customers to display it within the ticketing interface and reports. You have the option to make fields visible to both the customer and the agent or to the agent only. There are two types of ticket fields, standard and custom. Standard ticket fields are the predefined fields that agents see in a ticket. Typically, when your customers submit support requests, they provide the subject and description of their question or issue in standard ticket fields. Here's a quick breakdown of Zendesk terms when creating ticket fields. Requester, the person who submitted the ticket. Assignee, the person who is working on it. You can use this field to assign the ticket to an agent on your team or click Take It to assign it to yourself. Followers. Internal users can choose to follow a ticket so they get notifications when there are updates. Tags help categorize tickets and can be used to automate ticket actions. Setting the type helps you categorize your tickets, which you can then use in your workflow. There are 4 values for type: question, incident, problem, and task. Priority. There are 4 values for priority: low, normal, high, and urgent. Priority is not a required field, so you do not always need to select a value. You can also enter information for the topic of the ticket and the customer type in case it's been marked as VIP or another custom category. If you need to collect more information that might be useful for your specific needs, you can create custom ticket fields. Custom ticket fields provide the flexibility to capture a variety of customer, ticket, and organization fields. Some of the custom ticket fields types are drop-down. This field enables you to create a list of options for the users to select. You can create up to 2,000 values for a drop-down field. Multi-select. This field allows users to choose multiple options from a predetermined list. Number. Used to enter number values. If you want to allow decimal numbers, you should use the field type named decimal. There are various types of custom ticket fields, and you can use the ones that best suit your needs. Head to Admin Center, enter fields in the search bar, select Fields under Tickets, and click on Add Field to create a custom ticket field.